Hi, I'm Steve Sample with Bama Talk. Don't miss a single episode of Bama Talk Show, available now on iTunes, Stitcher, or your favorite podcast app, and on the web at bigbrainsmedia.com.
This is the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition for Wednesday, the 24th of April. I'm James Spann. A strong cold front coming in here today, but thankfully no severe weather. Let's check some Skycam shots. These were captured early this morning at 5 o'clock. Who would be awake then? Well, looks like a couple of guys are. Three guys. I see three cars out there. That's the Huntsville Skycam. That's Memorial Parkway. The sky's cloudy. Rain not that far away. Just look at the Edmund Pettus Bridge down in Selma, and look at the fog down in South Alabama. That's our Skycam in the community of Atmore, which is in Escambia County, right at the Florida state line. Ooh, that is a cold trough over the nation's midsection, pushing that front in here. And you can see convection in advance of the front. And you can pick it out pretty clearly in the temperature fields. The front is on by Memphis. It's approaching northwest Alabama. That thing will move steadily through the state today. And I do think temperatures will start to fall. For people in places like Hamilton and Haleyville, they'll probably drop into the 50s today. It will not feel like late April. And ultimately, the cool air reaches everybody by tonight. And around the nation, let me tell you what, that's just remarkable for this time of the year. Denver never saw 30 yesterday. They played baseball in the 20s, the Braves and the Rockies. That's just remarkable. And it's going to be pretty chilly here tomorrow morning. We'll have to watch out for a touch of frost in the colder valleys. That's the radar early this morning at 5:04 out of Jackson. And we do note there is some convection on the front. You can see thunderstorms over the Mississippi Delta region. So again, there could clearly be some thunder today, but severe weather not expected. In terms of watches and warnings, no severe weather problems. How about freeze problems? Freeze and frost warnings up from Texas to Missouri. That's a convective outlook today. No formal risks anywhere, just a very small 5% chance way northeast of here. And the rain for the next 5 days. Numbers are coming up. Now, this is valid through the weekend, through Monday morning of next week at 7 o'clock. And this is showing rain amounts of 1 to 2 inches around here. And, of course, that counts the rain today and the rain we get over the weekend. So let's get in there and talk about it. This is the modeling, the GFS, the Global Forecast System, valid at 1 o'clock local time this afternoon at 500 millibars. Main forcing way north of here. Down below that, the cold front coming in. So we'll see a batch of showers and some thunder moving through the state today from northwest to southeast. It's not going to rain all day, but clearly it's going to rain at times. The better chance for Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Anniston, Gadsden, the midday hours. That's the instability coming off the RUC model, and there's just not much. This is valid at midday today at high noon, and the instability values are all under 750 joules per kilogram. So at the weak forcing and marginal instability, severe weather should not be a problem. So tomorrow, the sun comes back in full force, and it's going to be a cool day. And let me point out, these are thickness values between 1,000 and 850 millibars, not between 1,000 and 500, the typical map I show you. Didn't want you to freak out when you see all the blue lines on there. But still, it's going to be cool tomorrow morning. Most spots dropping to about 40. I do think the colder valleys could see mid to upper 30s, maybe a touch of frost. But nothing widespread or really damaging. And then the high tomorrow should be around 70. Low humidity, just a gorgeous day. Dew points drop way down in the low 30s. Really nice. This is Friday. And again, that's going to be a great day. We'll see temperatures rising up in the middle 70s after a cool morning. All right, but let's look at the weekend. This is what everybody wants to talk about. This is Saturday back in the upper levels. You can see an active and disturbed southern branch of the jet stream setting up. And down below that, a moisture field moves in here. So Saturday looks like a cloudy day with a few showers around. Will it rain? Absolutely. Will it rain all day? No. Severe weather? No. Thunder? Maybe a little bit. So again, outdoor plans, just be aware it's going to rain on you at times on Saturday. And, it's just impossible to give you start and stop times this early. But clearly it could rain at any hour of the day. And the high should be in the mid-70s, with the clouds. And this is Sunday, same deal. Clouds, a chance of showers, highs up in the middle 70s. Not the total washout all-day rain, but it's going to rain on you at times, and that's going to be the formula for a while. Here's Monday. The moisture goes nowhere. Showers definitely around. Same thing Tuesday of next week. Now we'll go to Wednesday. Look at the trough developing north and west of here, and we're going to have a pretty strong cold front coming in, and that will bring maybe an increase in the coverage of the rain Wednesday and Wednesday night. Severe weather, I doubt it. And let's go to Thursday of next week. Wow, look at the trough moving through here. And down below that, a band of showers and storms will be kind of exiting the state. This is really Thursday morning at 7 a.m. So Wednesday night into Thursday morning, we might see a strong storm with that strong trough coming in here. And going to turn noticeably colder behind that. And this is the end of next week, Friday, May 3rd. And again, what I've done here, I've gone back to the thickness values between 1,000 and 850 millibars. So again, that's not between 1,000 and 500. But let's look at the surface temperatures. This is expected Friday morning. This is the end of next week, May 3rd. Hey, that's, come on, that might be some record lows if this is right. I'm just saying here, goodness, that would suggest temperatures down in the 30s, and this is in May. So just something to watch. You know, we've never had a freeze here in the city of Birmingham after April 23rd. If by chance, and I'm not saying we are, you know, that would clearly be in recordatory, but just something to watch. If you're a grower, that would be the end of next week. And then the end of the forecast on May 9th, that would be warmer and relatively quiet, if that's right. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock today. And if you can, watch us on ABC 3340 News on the live stream of the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.
Hey, this is Ross with my partner Bob. We have a show called Worldview Matters.
And Ross, as you know, we believe that everything in life is somehow related to how people view the world around them.
Our show is available on iTunes, Stitcher, or your favorite podcast app. Also available on the web at bigbrainsmedia.com.